Alright guys, if you hear me out of breath, it's because I've been pacing back and forth, really frustrated trying to get into this cop car right here. I was dumb enough to lock it, leave the keys in there, and then take the battery out. I got this thing right here. I've been trying to open it and stick this in there, maybe grab the keys. I don't know if you could see them in there. There's a lot of goodies in here I'm trying to get to, but this is really frustrating me. I called AAA. I guess I'm out of services. I could only use 6 services a year, and it's February, and I already used them all up, so that really frustrates me. In the last video, some of you guys were saying that I'm supposed to break this and keep digging through, stick my hand in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try. Oops. Okay, I think this might be working, guys. Oh no, there is a plate back there. Oh, that's a fail. See the plate back there? This emblem will go to a subscriber. Hashtag the word emblem. Somebody stated that I wasn't holding it long enough. So we'll see if that helps. This might help right here. What the heck? This might help right here. No, guys, I'm gonna have to say that's a fail. The car is on fire. Well, this might help it. Looks like there's a plate back there, so I can help. Sure grip. Okay, that didn't work. Yep, metal plate. Freaking bright. All right, so some of y'all were saying use high pressure to the front. I'm losing daylight. I've been out here for like 4-6 hours already. I got so mad I ended up kicking a dent here. Okay, so I was able to stick this long pole thing through the door right here. You see it? You see the keys in there? You see the pole? But look what happened. It freaking broke. Well, it didn't break, but it came undone. Here we go. Wear more stretchy pants. So I was thinking, if I break the window, I'm not even going to be able to get into the window because this thing is on there. I have that thing removed. I know my chances of finding a gun in this car are slim, but at least I'm looking in the right place, right? Like if I was looking in a Enterprise rental, I ain't gonna find a gun there. I'm in the right direction, right? Okay, so I got a genius idea here. There's a hole here So I'm able, if I can remove this, I can stick this long thing in here and bend it to be able to reach the keys. So now I gotta cut this off. What the hell? What's the thing made out of? All right. Oh crap. I thought this thing was gonna push back. What the heck is metal? Metal back there. I am coming back tomorrow. I am done for the day. I'm back here the next day, guys. I don't know if I want to break this window yet, man. Oh, it just got back and hit me. This plate back there. There's a plate all back here. I wonder if there's any way to get from the bottom. In one of my other videos, somebody suggested that I get into the trunk from underneath. I could actually unscrew it. Maybe I could do the same. This car is heavy. This is like 4,000 pounds. It's water. I don't want to break a window. I'm not given a choice. Really frustrated. Whoa, that's too much. Please be a gun. I gotta get into this trunk, man. Freaking stuck. Are you kidding me? There's another. Oh. These cars are not normal, man. These cars are like tanks. It's getting dark on me again. If I gotta go another day without breaking into this car, I'm gonna freaking lose it. Oh yes, I heard. Oh my gosh, I got it. I got it. Yes. Oh wow. Finally. Oh, getting dark here. Latex surgical gloves. Cool. I could use these. Let's see. No way, dude. Look at this. Dude. How do you close this thing? Okay. Yeah. Dude, hell yeah. I think these things are illegal. Heck yeah. Come up. MIA, you're not forgotten. Looks like made in USA. Peerless. Got to see what's in this trunk. All right. So there was all this surgical gloves. This is good because I use these. This looks like a glass cutter. I guess maybe I should try. No. Anyways, super orange. This is like a tuning fork, I believe. Maybe. I don't know what that is. Park code: camping in the park with shelter. Panhandle. Okay. Dude, I was just thinking, these trunks are freaking huge. How many people can you fit in these things? Let me see. It's 1, 2. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think you could probably squeeze 6 or 7 bodies in here. Somebody gave me a really bad idea. They said, pry this open, stick the water hose in there, and fill it all the way up till the keys float, and then grab them, which is really stupid because the freaking keys don't float. I have no choice but to break the window. It should be easy to break now because I cut it with the glass cutter. Finally. Yes. Oh, glorious. Tape. Wonder what's in here. Oh, cool. It's a handcuff thing. Ow. Ow, you bastard. Ow. Okay. Okay, the keys. Those stupid kids. Alright, so here is the bulb for that thing. This is garbage, I can't repair that. What's in here? I gotta be careful not to get cut. SFPD, notice of parking violation. Oh, nice. Nice. This is straight legit. Look at this. It even has an envelope to send it in. Place stamp here. Oh yeah. Oh wait, let's be practicing. Field interview. Oh, there's like stuff out here. Ugh. Wait, what is that? Oh, that looks like food. Panasonic. Awesome. Let's go right here. Dude, that is so cool. Probably still works too. like some type of badge holder. It's cool. Another camera. Night Owl. This is like the night version, the night vision version. Excuse me. Seatbelt stuff. Crap. It's real dusty in here. Some type of traffic thing. Federal signal mirror strobe. Okay. Looks like red. Motorola. Over. Be on the lookout for a yellow man that has a pill-shaped head. As a matter of fact, his whole body is pill-shaped. Yeah, he stole my car, so can you like arrest him or something? Over. Rhino energy, some type of energy pill or something. No headache. Natural formula, made in USA. 1 capsule, 7 days. Huh, that must be a hell of a capsule. So I made a big mess. Good thing I own this place. Otherwise, I'd be fired. That's the beauty of working for yourself. You can do whatever the hell you want to do. You can wake up whenever the hell you want. You can hire whoever the hell you want. Fire whoever the hell you want. You ain't gotta worry about squat. Here goes. Oh yeah. Oh man, this car has been closed for a long time. It stinks. Oof. Okay. Collision, San Francisco Police Department. So, I don't know what that is. Okay. Some type of insulation or whatever. Why is there freaking fluid in here? Kodiak. This product may cause gum disease. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells good. It smells minty, moist snuff. Well, you know what? Maybe if it wasn't next to this moldy water, give it a try, but no thanks. If you guys ever wonder what it's like to be inside of a police car, let me give you a little sample. Sit over here because over there it's freaking wet. Oh, it's not comfortable. It's not enough leg room, and you got this little molding to put your hands back here like this. Well, they cuff your hands. Like, it wasn't me, sir. It wasn't me. It was the one-armed man. It wasn't me. No, it wasn't me. Let me out, please. If you didn't have that badge, I'd kick your... So what do you think? Okay, it's freaking hot in here. Oh my God. You serious right now? Funny man. The funny man.